I will show you how to connect the battery plug to the battery port tester. The battery plug you will have to harvest from an old battery of the correct model. The correct orientation of the plug is so that the battery port tester board is the right way up when you have the bottom cover off the Mac. I like to use this set of Knipex parallel movement pliers, which do not damage the IDC connectors. The IDC connectors have small and big holes, corresponding to the thinner and thicker wires. Obviously, the wires are fed through the holes in the same order as on the battery connector. Once the wires have been fiddled in and everything is nice and straight, you press the IDC connectors with the pliers. The white block has to be pushed down all the way till it touches the circuit board. The excess wire is then trimmed at the back of the connector. For the MacBook Pro Retina 13-inch, the story is the same, except the wires are much shorter. The IDC connectors on the board are angled to make it fit.